Hi there, this is Kristie Chiles, and in this video, I want to talk to you about something that is seasonal, and I don't want you to miss out on this. I just met Katie Young online. This is Katie right here. Katie has an exciting offer. She's saying that no matter what you're selling online, you need to have some done for you marketing materials so you don't have to come home and try and scratch your head, figure out what to put all over social media to sell your products. And, what if you had your biggest month ever in product sales during the busiest time of the year, but all it took was 5 minutes of your day? Because what she has done is she has done all this done for you material. Many product based businesses know how big the holiday season is for revenue. We all know that. And you need to be on social media, but the problem is you don't have a real plan or strategy of how you're going to get sales online without being salesy. Because nobody has time for that. Nobody wants to be a used car salesman. They end up devaluing their brand with forever offering discounts. They're focusing on the wrong things, such as pretty product pictures and focusing on want to buy this mentality, but they're still not getting the sales. They rely heavily on Etsy, Amazon, and eBay to bring in the sales for them. And with it being so crowded, they're not in control of how many sales they could potentially get. So Katie's saying she has discovered the secret, and I am an affiliate for this program. So if you buy through my link, I will get a commission. That being said, I only promote things and talk about things online that I would recommend to my sister. And this passes my sister test, is what I call it. Look, introducing Katie Young's a marketing plan created for the 2020 holiday season. And it's 99 days of posts. So you need to go ahead and get this. This is seasonal. So go ahead and get this. Look at what's included. And it's only right now. I can't guarantee the price won't rise, but it's $27 plus 6 bonuses. What? So here's what's included. Learn the strategy behind boosting your engagement, conversation starter prompts, how to connect with your customers and ideal audience. Okay, so you never get a crickets only response to your post again. Know my product prompts. You'll convert on the fence buyers as well as entice new buyers to buy. Done for you holiday season marketing plan. Katie says she's already figured out what works. So you could just work with these content ideas around the dates that I've suggested. Is completely editable. So Katie Young has your back on this. Plus, she has 6 bonuses, a Christmas campaign plan, the 12 days of Christmas campaign strategy will not only excite your customers, it gets them ready to buy. Editable gifting guides. No one likes to design from scratch, especially if you're not a designer. That's why I put these editable gifting guides in Canva. I love Canva. I use it every day. For you to add in your own gifts, your Black Friday email plan. Thanksgiving and Black Friday are the busiest shopping days. That's why this email plan checklist will save you time in knowing when to send and what to send. The perfect giveaway strategy giveaways really do work on Instagram and other platforms. I use something similar on Pinterest as far as to build my subscriber list. Hashtags 101 training, how to use hashtags, holiday graphics vault, done for you stylish, quirky Christmas quotes that will stop the scroll as well as help your customers to order with a countdown graphic. That's so cute right there. All of it for $27. Again, I don't know how long that price will be like that. So it's super, super affordable. Imagine dramatically reducing the time you're spending on social media, but potentially seeing a 4 times return on your efforts. Yeah, you don't need to build a massive following to see success, and it's so, so true. One of Katie Young's clients grew her business to 40K a month within 4 weeks by showing up weekly on Instagram with a live show featuring her products. Another client revived what she thought was a dead product just by installing one of the strategies that I taught her. It went on to become a bestseller. Excuse me. If you think that people that have purchased before probably won't buy the same product again, think about Christmas decorations. One of my clients talked about her product, positioned it differently in our gifting guide. that she had 30% of her existing customers purchase the same product again. This has happened to me too. I couldn't believe that some of my customers have purchased some of my products twice. Just know that whatever you want is within your reach right now. And then she has some great testimonials. So what you want to do is click on the link below this video or this pin, wherever you're seeing this. It's going to take you to sign up for my I'm Kristie, for my marketing tips newsletter. And then this will take, that link will take you directly to um, through my affiliate link directly to Katie Young's holiday season 99 days of post planning system. And then you can buy there, and then you will have Katie will send you login info, and then you will be on my list, and you can send me questions about anything else that you would like to know about working online. And you'll also have Katie's information where you can ask her questions about the 99 days of post planning season. So make this your best season ever. For me, Christ is the meaning of Christmas, and I enjoy giving because Christ gave to me and gives to me daily. So this is a great offer. Don't miss it. I mean, $27 for all of this. Unreal, really unreal. So hit that link, sign up to get more how to make money online tips. And that link will automatically take you to Katie Young's page of 99 plus days of post planning system for the holiday season. It's your shortcut to an effective holiday season marketing plan. Okay, super fun. I love it. Okay, I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.